Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And before you continue watching this video, don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. Okay, we are now in our third assessment task. We are done with Unit 1, Unit 2, and now we are in Unit 3. I created this video because there are a lot of students who keep on asking me, Sir, unsa mong buhaton aning assessment task? Unsa mong kailangan isulat? That is why this video will really help you to have a clear mind on what are the things that you need to do in our assessment task in Unit 3. Without further ado, let's start. Let's start with Activity 1, Acronym. Direction. Formulate procedures and routines that promote discipline, fairness, respect, and care among learners and encourage learning using the acronym of your name. So, it should be your name. For example, my name. Let me write it to you. M A R K. So, okay, so of course you need to put sentences with your name which comprises the class rules or even the routine inside your classroom. So let me write here in M, for example in M, I will say there that make use of hand gestures if you hope to go out or to raise questions in our class. Next, A stands for attend classes regularly. R stands for respect others as you respect yourself. And K stands for keep it up. I know you could do it. So, yun. Make use of the acronym of your name. So, there are some questions raised by the students. Sir, what if kanang kuan taas among apelido? Okay, I'll give you the chance. Okay, only your first name, but I will appreciate if you will include your surname. But first name is okay. If you will include your if nakita nimo nga kanang murag kulang man ang kung first name lang nako, so you may include your surname kay para mas kompleto gyud imuhang routine nga buhaton. Okay, next. And also, sa mga gagmay kaayo og pangalan, okay, so balik ta, sa acronym, make sure that your name is at least 5 letters. Kung gusto lang mo first name imong gamiton. But, kung kulang gani siya, therefore, you need to make use also of your apelido. Next. Activity 2, draw a blueprint. So direction, design or make a blueprint or floor plan of your own classroom. Explain the significance of the layout of the physical structure of the classroom for active engagement of the learners, individually or in groups, in exploration, discovery, hands-on, and self-learning activities. So of course, here we will design our classroom. I know you are quite familiar with blueprint, di ba? So of course, mo-drawing mo diri For example, diri gusto niyo diri inyong door? Bakit hindi siya umaagi? Diri na lang, diri inyong door. Of course, diri mo gusto nga table nimo. Then diri ang mga chairs ang mga estudyante. And of course, don't forget to write the label. So dapat diri And of course, you will also put here your bulletin board, another table nimo. And of course, here the bookshelves. Ikaw na bahala. Basta make sure to be creative. Dapat creative gid ka sa pagbuhat nimo, ana. Okay. So next. And also, aside from that one, you need to also explain. For example, why did you put the teacher's table in front? I put this the teacher's table in front for the students to be able to direct their attention to the teacher. I make use of, or I encircle the chairs of the students for them to work collaboratively. So therefore, it should be more on what? First person. That is why I make use of first person. You are going to explain why did you put those elements on their places. Okay, next. And of course, activity 3, my journal. Direction. Describe the roles and responsibilities of the teacher and the learners for supportive, inspiring, motivating, and productive learner-centered classroom. And evaluate which disciplinary actions are positive and non-violent in management of learner behavior. So here in my journal, it should be what? First person dapat I, my, mine. Yun. And of course, just make sure that you contextualize it with what you have learned. You will also cite some examples. For example, okay, part of having disciplinary measures with with my student, I need to see to it that they will not face punishment. Thus, they will just have a negative reinforcement to reinforce the negative behavior that they have done. With this, I will blah 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 blah. So you contextualize it with what you have learned. Okay? So, don't forget 200 words. At least 200 words. So, those are the things that you need to remember in assessment of unit number 3. If you have questions, queries, you may raise it in our GC. And I really do hope that this video will really help you to answer what? Correctly, accurately, your assessment task. By the way, this is Mark Jenna Martinez.